In today's video, we're going to learn how to convert decimals into percents. Now, as far as conversions go, converting decimals into percents is one of the simpler conversions that you'll have to do. And this is because it only involves one step, and that is to multiply the decimal by 100. And essentially, to do that, what you do is move the decimal point over 2 places to the right. So I have a couple examples here, and we're just going to go through them, and hopefully this will help. So number one, we have 36 hundredths. So the one step we have to do is to multiply this by 100, which essentially moves the decimal point over 2 places to the right. So we have 36 hundredths, move that 2 places to the right, put it there. That equals 36, and we put our percent sign. And so 36 hundredths, written as a percent, is 36%. Let's try number 2. We have 82 hundredths. So again, we're going to multiply this by 100. Essentially, that will move the decimal point over 2 places. And we are left with 82, write a percent. And so 82 hundredths, written as a percent, is 82%. Now, if you notice in both of these first examples, we had decimals that ended in the hundredths place. And so when we said them out loud, 36 hundredths and 82 hundredths, you can imagine you're saying it, you're writing it as a fraction, 36 over 100. Now, percent literally means per 100. So for these first two examples, 36 hundredths would be 36%. It's very easy. You can just take the number that's over 100, and that is your percent. For these next two examples, that's not the case. We have decimals that go to the thousandths, and we have, for number 4, we have a decimal that's a number that's greater than 1. So we can't just say the decimal as a fraction and then use the numerator as our percent. So for number 3, we have 6,325 thousandths. So if we multiply this by 100, what we have to do there, we're going to move the decimal point over 2 places to the right. So 6, 3, 2, 5, 1, 2. Put that there. That equals 63. And we still have our decimal point and 25 hundredths percent. Now, some teachers and some places might ask you to round to the nearest whole percent. So if that's the case with a number like this, you would look at the ones digit and then go 1 over to the right, and we have a 2 there. So 63 and would stay as 63 because 2 is less than 5. So then this would be written as 63%. So for our last example, number 4, we have 1 and 8 hundredths. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to multiply this by 100. And when we do that, move the decimal point over 2 places to the right, put that there. We write that, we have 108. If you have a problem like this, that's perfectly fine. That is the answer, 108%. You're allowed to have percents that are greater than 100. This is an example of that. And so if that's what you get, that is the correct answer. Don't be nervous that you did something wrong. So those are the 4 examples. Like I said, converting decimals to percent is typically one of the easier conversions that you'll have to do. We have a couple other videos on how to some other conversions. If you want to check those out, you can feel free to check out the channel. And thanks for watching.